So here's how to make and verify Alipay account. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch till the very end so you don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to go to Alipay website on your browser. After that, you have to click on the login option at the top right corner. Now here at this login page, you will be able to view the option sign up now. Click on it. After that, here you have to enter your form details. Enter your email address, verification code, your selected password, and then click on the confirm option. After clicking onto this confirm option, now you have successfully created your Alipay account. You don't need to verify your account after creating it. While creating your account, it will send you a verification code at your email address. You have to simply put this code onto your verification page. So that's how to create a Alipay account and verify it.